SNAutoLuxury is a channel dedicated to bringing you in-depth reviews, insights, and the latest updates on automobiles, helping you make informed decisions about your next car. In this video, we take a closer look at the Hyundai Venue, a compact SUV that has gained significant popularity for its blend of style, performance, and advanced features. The Hyundai Venue stands out in the compact SUV segment with its modern design, bold front grille, and sleek LED lighting. The compact dimensions make it ideal for city driving while still offering ample space for passengers and cargo. The car's strong road presence and stylish design elements make it a favorite among buyers looking for an affordable yet premium-looking SUV. Under the hood, the Hyundai Venue comes with multiple engine options depending on the market. The most common choice includes a fuel-efficient petrol engine and a diesel variant for those who prefer better mileage. The turbocharged petrol engine offers an exciting driving experience with peppy acceleration and smooth performance. The transmission options include a manual gearbox, an intelligent manual transmission, and an automatic option, catering to a variety of driving preferences. The Venue's interior is designed to offer comfort and convenience with high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a user-friendly dashboard layout. The infotainment system features a touchscreen display with smartphone connectivity, allowing seamless integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The premium sound system enhances the audio experience, making long drives more enjoyable. Additionally, the climate control system ensures a comfortable cabin environment regardless of the weather conditions outside. Safety is a key focus in the Hyundai Venue, equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. The robust build quality and advanced safety features provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Some variants also offer additional features such as a tire pressure monitoring system and a rear parking camera with sensors for added convenience and safety. One of the highlights of the Venue is its connected car technology, which allows owners to control various functions remotely via a mobile app. Features such as remote engine start, geo-fencing, vehicle tracking, and real-time diagnostics enhance the overall ownership experience. This technology makes the Venue a smart choice for those who appreciate modern innovations in their vehicles. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Hyundai Venue, making it an economical choice for daily commuting as well as long-distance travel. The well-tuned suspension ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability at high speeds. The steering response is precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and city traffic. The Hyundai Venue also offers multiple variants, allowing buyers to choose the one that best suits their needs and budget. From the base model with essential features to the top-end variant loaded with advanced technology and luxury touches, there is a Venue for every type of buyer. The pricing is competitive, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV market. If you are looking for a compact SUV that combines style, performance, technology, and safety in one package, the Hyundai Venue is definitely worth considering. It caters to urban drivers who need a practical and stylish car without compromising on modern features. Whether you are a first-time car buyer or upgrading from a smaller vehicle, the Venue offers great value for money. For more detailed car reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest automobiles, stay tuned to SNAutoLuxury. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content on cars and luxury vehicles.